This is Papi eating the tacos part 2. First I get my coca. I eat one taco, but Chai's trying to eat it too. He's going to have the pepper instead. And some coca. I need a napkin. And this is towel. Okay, now I have my napkin. Chai's eating his pepper, and I have 3 to go. Dos más. Chai's almost done too. Last one. Oh, and now Chai's tummy hurts. Pobrecito.